Supermind Students, Book 1, Unit 7, Get Dressed, page 83. Hi people! Today we are going to learn about this and this. Open your Supermind Students, Book 1 to page 83. How to pronounce this, 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 this. For this, we use for one object or singular. For example, do you like this sweater? Do you like this jacket? Do you like this skirt? Do you like this cap? Do you like this t-shirt? Now we go to these. These are used for two or more objects, plural. In these pictures, we have shoes, 1, 2, socks, 1, 2, and special for pants, we use this, for example, shorts, 1, 2, jeans, 1, 2, and trousers, 1, 2. For example, do you like these jeans? Do you like these shorts? Do you like these shoes? Do you like these socks? Do you like these trousers? Now, open your Supermind Students Book 1 and turn to page 83. Look at the picture and draw lines. Then, listen and check.
1. Do you like this t-shirt? No, I don't. 2. Do you like these shoes? Yes, I do.
'Let's listen again.
1. Do you like this t-shirt? No, I don't. 2. Do you like these shoes? Yes, I do.
For the next activity, first, let's name the clothes. This hat, this hat, these shoes, this sweater, this jacket, these trousers. Well done. Look at the clothes, ask and answer. You can ask, do you like ... and you can answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. For example, look at number 1. Do you like this hat? Yes, I do. Look at number 3. Do you like these shoes? No, I don't. Please remember to use this hat, these shoes. In your exercise book, draw the pictures and do ask and answer activity. Don't forget to write day and date. That's all for today. See you soon.